I would like to just make a short video for you all to see about the Jet Performance software. Because when I started up my project, there was nothing on the internet about it or YouTube. So what I learned is just documented now, so you know. So that's my computer with the software on it, just for that main thing. And I put a Camaro from 97 LT1 with the original ECM on it in my pickup truck. So let's just see what I've done. Connected the OBD2 to that Jet Performance box up to my PC, of course. So put the power on. And find the Jet Flash, and let's press OK for that, and of course you agree on it. And then when you set up your COM port. Mine is already up and running because I use the same COM port every time. So you find which one is available and press OK. Sorry for that. Then you can go in and say tools and then press vehicle information just to make sure that you have the connection to it to see which information is on it. So you have the connection for it, so it's up and running, so you don't have the issues when you're doing it later and you figure out that you can't get connections and problems with that. Let's just do that up front. There goes the tools and you want program, and I already did the program. I'll just tell you about it when we get this up and running. So for my own record, I just write down what I've removed from all the alarms and press open and all the information, and then now it's basically programming. So what I did was, a long time ago when I got the engine in, I connected it and took the original software from that engine and that control module for that engine, because a lot have been removed from it. And then just simply started up with removing everything into the Jet's DS Tuner. Remove all the alarms, enable them, or sorry, disable them, whatever. And then every time out running, once in a while the alarm pops up, go in to the open up the software in the Jet Tuners, remove the specific issues, and just load the software back into the pickup. So while that's running, I just want to show you how long time it actually takes, because it takes a long time, so don't get nervous about it. It takes a very long time. But yeah, it's just put up where I have my engine control modules behind the glove box. And then my Joker from the original carburetors hooked up to the engine warning lights, because of course there's no engine warning lights and no pickup like that in the cluster. So when the Joker comes on, it means there's an alarm on the engine, because the engine and the gearbox is the only one connected to that right now. And trust me, it's still running up there. So it's taken me quite some time to do all that and figure out how to get all that up and running with the Jets, because not much information is on the internet about it. Yeah, it's a long time. So sorry for the mess, but lowering projects in the front right now. Disc has been up in the mill for making them straight again. They're been a little rough on it. Big engine, and that can happen. And one thing is important to remember: don't have any other programs running. It also tells you that, but just don't, because sometimes it corrupts it. And make sure that you have power on the batteries, also say that. You should connect the charger unless, well, I don't, because it's a brand new battery, as it's a restoring project. But else, connect the charger so you're 100% sure you don't lose power under the programming. Yeah, the fuel pump is running, so it's finishing up right now. And then when it's done, it tells you to turn off the ignition for 30 seconds. Yep. So we press OK. And it goes back to that where we started. And just take the power off and leave it for minimum 30 seconds, and then power back on, and then it should be up and running. Well, good luck to you all with that. I hope it helps. So drop a comment, something else you want to have me to see if I can help you with.